The QuillBot extension seamlessly integrates with Google Docs, letting you work faster and more accurately than ever before. From grammar fixes to tone adjustments and multilingual support, it's like having an AI writing assistant built right into your doc. Let's make some updates to a job description using the QuillBot extension in Google Docs. Click the QuillBot assistant and review suggestions in the right sidebar. Review grammar suggestions one by one to remove all errors from your copy. Click the Recommendations tab to view suggestions that will enhance your writing and improve clarity. If you'd like to paraphrase your text, click the quill icon in the assistant and choose a new mode, or create a custom mode. Let's make this copy sound more exciting. If you'd like to change your language, the extension also supports multiple languages.